Hello there guys, welcome back to Phuket. Right now, we're traveling from Karon to Patong in Phuket. And in this episode, I'll take you to the Paradise Beach Resort here in Patong. You can see we are going uphill and the Paradise Beach Resort is very close to the Patong Beach, the south side of the Patong Beach, and from there we have to go uphill towards the west and you have to reach the Paradise Beach Resort after going for about 5 kilometers from the Patong Beach. Our driver just told us that the road to the Paradise Beach Resort is not this smooth all the way, and halfway have to get down and either take a trek to the place or there's a special car available, a special ferry. That car will take us to the place. So let's see how it is. So see you at the place. Let's meet at Paradise Beach Resort in Patong. Well guys, we have reached Paradise Beach Resort here in Patong and we are walking towards the entry, so let's see what's there inside. So guys, this is the main entry point and you can see there's the entry counter and there's an interesting thing out here. There's a radio shaped wall. Wow, it's good. Well guys, we're inside the resort and you can see there's a big place for parties. And let me tell you that there's an entry fee to this place because it's a private place and it's a resort. Out here parties are held and the entry fee starts from 200 baht, and if you include food in the package that will increase. Right now it's noon time, so there's no party setup, everything is closed. So let's go towards the beach and see how it is. So friends, we're at the beach, the Paradise Beach at the Paradise Beach Resort, and this is the place from the beach as it looks like. Well guys, this place is very nice from the first look and I'm finding this place very quiet and calm, which I like, and this is because it's a private place. You have to pay to enter this place, and there are 2 beaches out here and a viewpoint, so we'll visit all of them. And from the first look of this place, it looks very nice and calm, and there is a shade even. There are some trees giving the shade. And here you can see our manager. Even she is quite relaxed out here. She loves this place in fact. She hates the sun. And far ahead you can see there is a small floating pier. And people are taking a dip in the sea. I guess the sea is shallow out here. Quite shallow. But I wouldn't go out there and take a dip because it's too hot. I prefer the shade out here, like our manager. So do you like the place? Oh, she's angry. Better not disturb her. And I guess you can see the Patong beach from here. I'll show you. Yeah, that is Patong beach. The strip you see ahead of you, that's Patong beach. And that's Patong, the town. So that's the place. You can guess how close it is from Patong beach, but the road is quite far. I need to travel 5 kilometers. And let me see where my friends are. There they are. My friends are roaming about the place, but I'm a bit tired, so I'm taking rest in the shade. And you can roam about the place. I'll show you when I go there. The place is very beautiful and it's quite relaxing. I'll just relax out here, sit for some time and then show you the place. I would have gone down to the sea, but I hate getting tan, man, so I won't go now. It's better off here. Well guys, we spent a couple of hours at Paradise Beach Resort here in Patong, and according to me, spending 200 baht just for relaxing is not justified. If you go for the parties out there, it's good, but just for relaxing, I don't think that's a very good price to pay. So you could just go elsewhere and relax. But the place was nice and cool and calm, and not much crowd was there. So it's nice all over. The things we wanted there were not there because it's noon time and the party has not yet started. But we don't have time, we have other plans for the evening. We are going on a night out in Patong. So right now we are moving towards the Patong town, and you can see the Patong beach from here. There it comes, right on your screen. That's the Patong beach. So guys, that was it for today. But before you go, don't forget to check out our other videos on Thailand and Phuket in our channel. And please tell us how did you find our videos through your comments. And those who are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel as we upload new travel videos every week. So see you in the next video with some more interesting topics. Till then, have a nice time.